Now, the key bit is don't die.
I didn't realize you got leather armor with this.
It almost doesn't even matter if you get killed, so long as you make sure that you die on land and don't get thrown off.
When they're bridging over and you punch them down the one block gap that they have.
Anyway, I will just come and kill you guys.
Oh, no,
because
no,
all I need is the blocks.
Oh, okay. Yeah, go kill them. They're laying on the ground. Oh, yes. Got him.
Okay. So now we go up and we mine all the iron.
Do you have an efficiency 3?
Yes, I do. Oh no, there's a guy underneath me.
He has no clue where you are. Oh, unless he has particles turned on. No, I think you're good.
Wait, is mining expertise actually doubling my blocks? Because if so, that would be hilarious.
No, it isn't.
That's what I thought just happened.
Yeah, they're just regular blocks.
Oh yeah, that would make no sense, because then you could just craft them.
Yeah. Did he just fall down?
He shot me down.
Nice. Okay, get inside of it. Yeah. Yeah, I think there's plenty of iron here.
He's gonna actually try this, isn't he? So let's see. How many? Could you go onto the wiki and figure out exactly how much you need?
200. Okay, I'm going. Hat. There we go. Hey, turtle hat looks amazing with my skin.
Two. Done. Strength 2!
Oh, nice. I'm gonna have to do it. Does that
Strength 2
Nice.
beacon!
Nice.
Oh yeah! I have strength 2! That did not do nearly as much damage as I thought it would.
Did you kill him?
He fell off the edge, I think. No, he's running. He's running. He doesn't want me to. He fell off the edge!
Nice.
GG! Lag. No, that wasn't lag, sir. That was you failing. But we did it!
Now the